Okay, so I had to take my own time to do the recording for the entire unboxing process and as well as sorting. But this is how we unbox the package as it finally landed in our care after all necessary bureaucracies with the custom and other authorities at the airports. So definitely was not delivered by FedEx. They brought it in levy at the custom. Uh, this is how we had to take our time to have it open. So that's the certification, I think. Just trying to skip through it. So we come back to the box to open it, that you can see for yourself what it is. Because every step along the way is being captured. See, we're still trying to find a way to open it. In my case now. That was interesting, by the way. Little did I know that there was taped under there. Like you can see that my other son was trying to remove the tape off. Yeah, so finally we succeeded in getting it open. I think you can see. And I'm sure this is not strange to you. This is how you package it. This is how you closed it. I think this is the sample that you put there. I have to show it to the camera to see. So I now go on to get the pack out ish like this one now. I think a 40 bags they are in, right? It has a label with numbers. That's 200 C's per parcel, I think. Only one is there with 450 C's. See this? See this one? The first two actually never have problem at all. They are good, no problem. See, number 10. You see this? It is of a mixture of goods and bad ones. See this? To me, this is not bad. it was one of the good ones. See this. See this one. It's mixed. It's mixed. Yes. See. Some are good, some are bad. Like this. Same mixture. This is the worst among all. I think the most heart-wrenching one that you can see that it's not good at all. It's absolutely bad. Like for this one, you can see some that are good, some that are still whitish, and some are brownish. But yet, I'm sure a few over 10 can be gotten from there. See this, see this, see this one. Take a look at it and see. See. You see this? With this one, it even has pulp, like poise or pulse or something, that whitish liquid, like something that's been rotting, like this one. I see a few ones that are brownish, but it's good. It looks good. It's in better condition. Yeah. So that's the time I completed, getting them out of the box. So I think you can see that's the poly bags that you put in there. Those are the urea, the packs of urea that were added. Then you can see. Now I had to put them on a table to be able to do proper sorting. The ones that do not have problem at all, I had to go one side. The ones that are questioned based on my own observation, I had to go one side as well, like this one. I had to put this aside. Yeah. Very bad experience with FedEx, I must admit. Don't even know how to say it. See this one? See. This one is not bad. Now look at this one here. This is also good, I think. So this one is having some issues, but it's mixed. Some are good and some are not. See this? See. This one to see how mixed it is. Okay, some are brownish. Yeah, some are actually bad. Okay. See this. See this. Oh, see that how it looks. It's really bad. This one is mixed. Some are good. So you see this. You see this. It's not easy actually to be able to distinguish between these ones. Some are absolutely bad. That's the reason why the video is like this. Since I started recording, I made sure everything, the camera is never taken away. See this. See this. See this one. This is absolutely bad. I don't know how to say it. But so I have to go back again to show you step by step. You know, you see this. Like those, you see those rooting waters that I under. It's already set under it there. You know. It's number 8. So this is it. This is how it looks. See this? I have to bring it close to the camera. See this? Number 7. Let's see this. I think this one does not have much problem, but like don't even know. So after the sorting process, from the outlook, you know, I put these ones aside. Try to get the ones that are not good to one side. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of the 200 plastics one side. That's exactly 1,000. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. The 200, you have like 1,150. That looks like the ones that do not have problems. So I try to show you the box where they come from, and also the label, like inspection stuff. So this is it. This is what I saw in the box that you sent me. Absolutely, FedEx did not treat us well, and they should never be used again. They are not good company that should handle emergency consignments like ours. This is the certificate. So that's it. You can be the judge. Thank you.